I'm Dr. Dennis Doss. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon in Beverly Hills. And I get a lot of clients, moms in particular, who are coming to me requesting a tummy tuck. And a tummy tuck is a great procedure to restore the youthfulness of the belly. But what I do different is I combine the tummy tuck with liposuction. That's known as a Lipo Abdominoplasty. And that allows me to not only create a flat stomach, but also contour the body. So the tummy tuck is going to get rid of the extra skin. It's going to get rid of stretch marks. It's going to tighten the abdominal muscles internally. And then the liposuction of the love handles and back, and perhaps even the abdomen, is going to create shape and contour. It creates a smaller waist and more of an hourglass shape. If one needs to fill in hip dips, I can also transfer fat to the hips with the True Curve Brazilian butt lift to really finish off the shape. But yeah, that's how I do tummy tucks different. I do a lipo abdominoplasty, a combined tummy tuck and liposuction to really bring out a beautiful contour. So please contact my office at dossmd.com to set up your own evaluation.